Hey Shopify store owners, tired of the constant "where is my order" messages? Let's check out Parcel Panel Order Tracking by Channelville, your all-in-one solution to streamline shipping updates and build trust with customers. What is Parcel Panel? Parcel Panel helps you track orders in real time, reduce support tickets, and create a branded tracking page that both multilingual and fully customizable. You'll be able to sync tracking info to PayPal, send automated shipping updates, hide Chinese origin details with one click, perfect for drop shippers, and even boost sales with smart upsell offers and product recommendations. Plus, it includes advanced analytics and a slick dashboard to help you stay on top of shipping and fulfillment. When it comes to pricing, you can get started on the free plan with up to 20 orders per month. And if you need more, plans start just only $11 per month with a 7-day free trial included. And as you go, you can upgrade to handle thousands or even tens of thousands of orders with pro features like API access, integrations with Klaviyo, Gorgeous, Yotpo, Zendesk, and even PayPal syncing. And with ratings and reviews, Parcel Panel has over 5,000 reviews and a solid 5-star rating, which speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. See it in action? Just look below the install button and click on View Demo Store. It will take you straight to a live store where you can experience how the branded tracking page works. For shipping updates to upsell offers, it's a great way to explore and features before committing. So if you wanted to keep your customers informed, reduce support work, and even increase your sales, give Parcel Panel order tracking try today.